assembling the Tone Vise Keyless Nut Lock. I have found that the simplest and quickest way to do this is to assemble the two halves of each of the three clamp systems. Assemble them first spring tension rod or spring plate tension rod, and then my own addition, a small O-ring or gasket to help dampen out the vibrations here from the levers. So we've got the bottom half assembled. Stick your nut driver on top of it all and place it into the hole on your Floyd Rose nut. All right, and that's just a very small amount of snugness there. Now the same thing for the upper half. That's the lever. The spring goes in. It's a conical spring, wider end down. And then the locking screw along with the washer. And insert your nut driver or Allen wrench before it all falls apart, hopefully. Oh, I'm sorry. I did miss a step. Sorry. Here's the step I missed. Okay. Put the screw on your nut driver. Then pick up the top half. Insert the screw. And place the top half on just till the screw driver, your nut driver stops, or your hex driver stops.